all-new Air Fryer 2 by Nutricook. Its sleek redesign and upgraded features make it the best in class. With an incredibly stunning black or brushed stainless steel finish and a slim profile that allows it to fit any counter, quickly fries food to crispy golden brown perfection using little to no oil. With 85% less fat than a traditional deep fryer, you can make all of your favorite foods guilt-free. Our Smart Temp technology automatically adjusts the temperature while cooking to give you the best of both worlds, perfectly cooked on the inside and crispy on the outside. Preheat, Celsius to Fahrenheit, auto shut-off. It even tells you when to shake, so all of your food gets fried evenly. 10 one-touch presets allow you to cook everything from salmon to steak perfectly every single time. Our basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. And it's free of unwanted chemicals. The Air Fryer 2 takes the guesswork out of cooking with none of the oil and all of the crisp. You'll be amazed at what it can do. Elevate your kitchen with Nutricook.
Century. Featuring 11 original presets, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our Cosori chefs. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Schedule cook times hours in advance so you can coordinate every part of the meal while leaving room for a little relaxation. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning.